This short video will show you how to embed a Google Sheet into your course notes or a homework assignment. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So this here is a set of course notes. I've asked you to complete a task here inside of Google Sheets. And once I complete that task, I would like that to show up within my course notes. In this embedded window is what we would call this. So here are the steps to get that document to show up inside of your course notes. The first thing you need to do is obtain your copy of a spreadsheet. So go ahead and make a copy of that. And this is going to put a local copy of the spreadsheet onto your Google Drive. So here's where all of your work would go. You would probably want to give it a more useful name than the one provided here. So maybe this is Notes Part 5 or something. This is where your work is going to go. So I'm just demonstrating this. So this is where all my work would go. I should mention that you have the ability to create additional sheets inside of a spreadsheet, and we do that down here with the Add Sheet icon. So now you can see that I got 2 sheets. So maybe over here on sheet 2 I have more of my work or something like that. So this might be useful if maybe you want to put a graph on sheet 2 and then maybe your data over here on sheet 1, and you can rename those sheets. Double click in there and say this might be my data sheet, and over here I might have my graph sheet. And you can create as many tabs or as many sheets as you want inside of your Google Doc. Okay, so now let us suppose that you've completed the work and you want to embed it inside the course notes. This is going to be done much like sharing a homework assignment. So I'm going to go up here under Share. I'm going to say Get Shareable Link up here in the upper right hand corner. And I'm going to copy and paste the link that is provided here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back over in my notes now. And I'm going to paste that in the box provided. And then the last step is simply to open that spreadsheet inside of this embedded window. So I just say Open File here. And now you can see that that document that I was working on over here, okay, is now embedded inside of these notes. You can see the different tabs will show up. You can also edit your work here, and it'll be saved inside of that document. So if I do some updates to my work, I can do that right here inside of this document, inside of the embedded window, excuse me. And that'll get saved into your Google Drive automatically. Okay, that does it for showing you how to embed a Google Sheet into your course notes or a homework assignment. Thank you.